Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you if you can charge an 800 volt vehicle like E-GMP cars, including the Kia EV6, on newer BTC Power L3S 50 kilowatt DC fast chargers. And why this is important is because this model of charger is deployed throughout the state of Oklahoma by Francis Energy, although Francis installed most of these L3S chargers before 2020. But the key thing is that most of those older units cannot communicate properly with 800 volt class vehicles and therefore cannot charge them at all. You can see there's a spec label for the chargers in Guymon. They were manufactured in 2019. So we're here at this Sbarro Buick GMC in Las Cruces. Let's see if we can charge. Here's a charger. It's currently free, no payment required, so we just plug in. Then once you plug in, back on the charger, you can just press no receipt and it'll initialize. And there it goes. I'll take a picture of this. You can see the serial number has 22 in it. That means it was manufactured in 2022. And the fans are going full blast since it has an air-cooled cable. Now going back in the car, you can see we're charging between 47 and 48 kilowatts. And here's a look at the OBD2 battery data. Since this is at a 500 volt max charger, the car is requesting its compatibility mode of 450 volts. You can see 448 right there. And the charger's outputting 107 amps. Multiply those two numbers together and you get 47.936 kilowatts. Now here's a look at the datasheet for the charger. You'll see the charger model is L3S-50-480-01. And like I said earlier, the serial number indicates it was manufactured in 2022. You can see there's the specs, outputs up to 500 volts, up to 125 amps. So yeah, newer BTC power chargers, as long as they were manufactured in 2022 or newer, do work fine with 800 volt class vehicles. So thanks for watching this quick charging test video. Be sure to get subscribed and check out other videos on my channel. I have more videos about the EV6 coming soon, including other charging station tests, and also some EV road trips. Get subscribed, you don't want to miss that.